don't already, please get out your Chromebooks. I'm gonna walk you through some stuff. Who doesn't have a Chromebook? You don't have one? 2 people. Oh, man. I have everything. Yeah, but you need the Chromebook in order to take my quiz. It only works on like my little test thing, my ASL, whatever it is. It only works on one of these. So why do we need to study hall? 8th period? Did you have I'm going to walk you through some Google Classroom stuff. Does everybody know how to get to Google Classroom? Stellar. Alright, I'm going to walk you through some stuff. I'm going to show you some stuff on Google Classroom. We are here, American Sign Language 1, period 2. You should see my gorgeous face in the little bubble. Y'all there? Stellar. Okay, I want everybody to click on the classwork section. There should be 2 things in there. There should be a course materials section and a unit 1. Do you see both of those? Sweet. I've never used Google Classroom before, so I need some feedback, okay? So when I ask you, please tell me that you're seeing all the things that I'm seeing. Okay, so you see the course materials thing, right? Yes. Okay, under there, you should see a course website, a flip grid link, and a signed syllabus thingy, right? The signed syllabus is literally just a link to the syllabus in case you lost your paper or something. When is this due? Friday, you are correct. The Flipgrid link we will set up later. The course website, I want everybody to go ahead and click on the course website for me. It'll take you to this. This website has a bunch of stuff, okay? First of all, it has my schedule on here, so you can see where I am at all times. On this side, there's a bunch of buttons that you can click. If you're ever absent, you can click here, and it'll take you to a calendar. That tells you every single thing that we do during that day. So yesterday, we finished the syllabus. We did some finger spelling practice. We learned the colors. 8th period 1 stickers, etc. The day before that, we went over the syllabus. That signature is due Friday. You see how this tells you everything when you click on it? It's pretty nifty. If you click on the current unit button, it'll take you to the Unit 1 page, which looks like this. On this page, it has every single slideshow that I have used so far, including these lovely blue ones. These blue ones tell you all the vocabulary that we've learned in class that day or so far this year. At the very end of every PowerPoint, like the very last slide, there is this little video. And if you click play on the video, and if my sound is on.
Today we're learning 2 signs. The first one
I
is
talked to you.
American Sign Language, which is just A.
That's my house. But if you click on the very last slide of almost all of them, there's this video, and I will walk you through in English how to sign the vocab words that we learned for the day. These are the vocab words. This is the video of how to sign it. Cool? Eventually, once we sign into Flipgrid, there will also be, you'll also be able to see this page. Yes, queen. That has all of the vocab videos like available for you that you can just watch all in order. Kaylin.
The slides we need permission to see.
What? Can everybody else see them? Shucks. Okay, I will fix that. Thanks for letting me know. I appreciate it. I probably just have to change the permissions, but I appreciate that you informed me of this. That fixes some things. Okay. Back on the home page, there's also some course information in case you want to just know extra stuff about me. You can also find my email on there, as well as my Twitter. If you have Twitter, follow me. You can check your grades. This just links you to Infinite Campus. Y'all know how to check your grades, right? Like sign on to that. Okay, so that's all there. And then the last link here is ASL website. So if you want to have some figure spelling practice or numbers practice, there's some links. And then there's also like a how do you sign, blah, blah, blah. Questions about my website. If you're absent, please check there for stuff that we did the day that you were gone. Okay, everybody go back to Google Classroom. We are in Unit 1, which is called Who Am I? This will have a link to all of the Unit 1 vocabulary. It's the same thing that I just showed you with the Yas Queen. That's Niall DeMarco. Do you know who he is? You're gonna this year if you haven't learned about him. He's Niall. But all of the vocab videos are in there in case you need to see them and the slides aren't working or something. This is a link to a video of the ASL manual alphabet. So if you want to practice the manual alphabet at home and see all the different perspectives and make sure that you're signing it correctly, there you go. The thing that I want everybody to click on is the SLO pre-test. Go ahead and click on it. It says gloss English sentences. It should open it up and it should say some sort of warning about like, we are going to lock down your browser and blah, blah, blah. You see that? Yes? It looks like, can I steal this for a second? It looks like this. You see this page, everybody? Stellar. Everybody press start quiz real quick. I'm going to go over the different parts of this quiz. This is a pre-test. You're not supposed to know a single thing on this test, okay? Here are all the instructions, so everybody look up at me. For section 1, you are translating English to ASL. The very first question that you should see on there is, what is your favorite color? You're not telling me that your favorite color is red. For this section, you're going to translate that English sentence into ASL using a thing called gloss. Do any of you know what glossing is? Cool, you're not supposed to. Try your best, okay? How do you think it would look in ASL? Write something. If you don't know, you always have the option of writing, I don't know. I will also accept IDK, okay? Section 2, which is on the next page, you can't see it yet, but on section 2, you're going to watch a video of me signing something. Please be sure that your sound is off. I don't think that there's sound in my videos, but just in case, put it on mute. Try your best to turn it into an English sentence, okay? So, like, I'm going to sign something in ASL, you're going to write it out in English. For section 3, you're going to watch me tell a story, you're going to answer some questions about it. Try your best. Section 4, I'm going to fingerspell some stuff. You guys have already learned fingerspelling, which is so exciting. So you might be able to get some of these, okay? Try your best. Section 5, did I fingerspell the word that is listed? So like where the question is, it'll say a word, like manner. The first one is manner, for example. If I spelled it correctly, then you're going to press true. And if I spelled it wrong, you're going to press false. Or you can press I don't know. All these options also have an I don't know section, okay? Section 6, I signed one number, you're going to tell me which number I signed. Section 7, did I sign the time correctly? I'm going to give you the time, you're going to tell me did I sign it right, true or false. And then section 8, which vocabulary word did I sign? Some of the vocab words I've already done you. So you might be able to do section 8. The finger spelling ones and section 8, you might be able to get a couple questions correct. All the rest of them, I literally don't care if you put I don't know, but we have the whole rest of the period, so if you would like to try your best, you can. When you're done, you can do literally whatever as long as it's silent. I don't even care if you have your cell phone out or if you have your earbuds in, as long as you're silent and not bothering anybody else. Questions? Sweet. You have the whole period. Ready, set, go.
Wait, what if you don't know this stuff?
Okay, good. For any of these things, you can always type, I don't know if you don't know.